Hi, welcome in Cloud in 5 minutes. Today I want to talk about my top 5 tools to develop with Azure. My first tool, for those who know me, you won't be surprised that it's Visual Studio Code. I found that tool fantastic. You could do Markdown with it. I use it to blog. You could do ASP.NET Core, C#. You could have your common deployment, Node.js, Python. It do so many different things. It's very light and it run on any platform, Mac, Linux, and Windows. So for that, I love it. You can download it at code.visualstudio.com. My second tool is Git. Come on, guys. Today, you work with a team, you need that. A code repository is very useful. Would it be on GitHub or Bitbucket or VSTS or private or whatever, Git is a must. If, like me, you have a little bit of issue with the command prompt because you use for too long other tools, then I suggest to try Git Kraken. It's a fantastic tool. It's available for free for non-commercial use, and it's very graphical, very nice, very easy to use. I strongly suggest it, guys. My third tool today is Postman. Who says cloud says API, says web, so you need a way to test your API, make command load test. With Postman, it will record everything. It's an easy way to hack and test your API. It's really a must, and it's free. My fourth tool, guys, is documentation, docs.microsoft.com. Yes, I know documentation, it's not a tool. Guess again, in that documentation website, you will find information up to date in many different languages about tech, language, command with a bunch of example. And Microsoft just opened the door for the MVPs to participate. So the documentation will be really more accurate. So have a look, docs.microsoft.com/Azure. My fifth tool, Azure CLI. Yes, I know it's possible to do it in a portal. It's possible to do it with PowerShell command, but if you're running it in Azure CLI, then you can run it. Learn it once, run it everywhere, whatever. It will run on everything. So it will run on Linux, it will run on Mac, it will run on Windows. So it's very powerful. You can do everything. And by the way, you can now run command from Visual Studio Code directly in the Cloud Shell using Azure CLI. Isn't it wonderful? You're mixing all my top now. My today top 5 was really focused on keeping my as open as possible. Azure is very open. You can now code in many languages from many different platforms. So I was keeping an eye on that, but I could not mention Visual Studio. It's a fantastic tool. It's a tool that, where you can run your tests, you can run your deployment, and you can do so many different things. Very powerful tool, and it's now available on macOS. I will put all the links to download those tools in the description. Leave a comment. That was my top 5. I'm looking to know what's your top 5. Thanks, and see you again.